Welcome back, kids. Today we are going to learn subtraction. The lesson name is Let Us Learn Subtraction from First Standard Mathematics. Now kids, look at the picture first. Now here we can see one boy and one girl is sitting and they have having some jamuns in their plate. Let's count how many jamuns they have. 1, 2 and 3. And now what happened, kids? This boy gave 2 jamun to this girl. Yes, the boy's name is Yash and Yash had 3 jamuns and he gave 2 jamuns to Rama. How many jamuns does he have now? Now tell me, kids, how many jamuns are left in the plate? Yes, there is only 1 jamun. It means there is a plate. In that plate we can see 3 jamuns, 1, 2 and 3. And he gave 2 jamuns to Rama. 1, 2. And how many jamuns are left there? Only 1. And this equation we are going to write in the form of numbers. That is 3 minus 2 is equal to, yes, how many left? Only 1. It means 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 5 frogs were on a river bank. One frog jumped into the water. Count how many frogs are there on the river bank now. Now tell me, kids, there were 5 frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. From this 5 frogs, the one frog jumped into the water. And now tell me how many frogs are sitting on the river banks? Only 4. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. How we are going to write in number form? Yes, like this. 5. Yes, there were total 5 frogs. Out of them, one jumped into the water. Now tell me how many frogs are there on the banks? Yes, only 4. Here is also in this form also. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. You remember, kids? We learned some magical words while we are learning addition. Yes, like same. We are going to learn some magical words when we hear or when we see that magical words. We are going to do subtraction. Before that, we are going to see the sign of subtraction. That is, we called it as a minus sign. This is a sign of subtraction. Okay. And taking away a smaller number from a big number is called subtraction. It is shown by the sign, this sign, and read as a minus. So we are going to call this sign as a minus sign. Taking away smaller number from a big number. For example, 5 minus 1. 5 is big number and 1 is small number. Taking away a small number from a big number is called subtraction. Okay, and here are some magical words that we are going to read. Read after me. Taken away, spent, eaten, given, flew away, left, decrease, remain. Yes, kids, when you heard this word or when you read this kind of words, we are going to do subtraction. Now kids, here we can solve some example for you. See here, how many smileys are here? 1, 2 and 3. And from this we strike 1. It means we are going to minus. 3 minus 1 is equal to how many left? 3. We cut here 1. How many left? 1, 2. Yes, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Very good. Now here we can see some stars. Let's count first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, here we wrote 4. And what action we had to do? Yes, minus. Minus means we cut. How many stars we are going to minus? 2. It means 1, 2 are going to cut. How many stars are left? 1, 2. It means we are going to write here 2. In the next example, we can see some triangles here. Let's count how many triangles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we are going to write here 5. And what action we have to do? Yes, subtraction. We are going to minus how many numbers? 2, or that is 2 triangles. So we strike it out or we cut this 2 triangles. Now tell me how many triangles are left here? 1, 2 and 3. So we are going to draw here 1, 2 and 3. It means 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Very good. Now kids, count how many squares are here. 1, 2, 3. It means we are going to write here 3. And which action we have to do here? Minus. It means we are going to strike it out, or we are going to cut this boxes. How many boxes are cut here? 2 boxes. It means 1 and 2. So we are going to write here 2. Now tell me how many boxes or how many square are left there? Only 1. It means we are going to draw here 1 square. Now tell me what is the answer of 1? Na? It means 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. I hope kids you understand all these subtractions. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and subscribe. See you soon.